women starting a business around saris, when you think about this concept, did you ever face sexism on your way just because this is the premise that you come up with?
Honestly, I would love to say no, but we face it all the time. It's all the time. I'll tell you a very recent example. I just went through last week. There was this huge event on mostly finance, and I was invited for one of the dinners, and there were mostly men in coats, black, grays, blues. Also women, very few, but also in the same attire. I went there just so that, I was invited, and also I just wanted to make sure to understand what, as an entrepreneur, I want from finance world and how can we make it better situation for maybe women founders, because it's not a very rosy scenario for women founders to raise or to get loans very easily, right? Because then you get asked for men who come as guarantors, even if men have nothing to do in this business, like not men as in leaders wise, and just the two of us. If you ask me a male guarantor, who will come and give a male guarantor? My husband? No. Why will he come? Bankers, when they come and talk to you, they say, oh, you have a brand, and then they didn't talk finance. They said, oh, I'll tell my wife about your brand, and the conversation just died there because I lost interest. Because if you just take my card to say that I'll give it to my wife, which is great, I'm not saying it's bad, but the conversation in that room is not meant to be that.